So as far as we are concerned, as far as the government is concerned, Senate was never under attack.
Hi, ma'am. Yung nangyari po sa Senate po, with all yung tawag ni Senator Amy, Senate siege, do we may reaction po ba yung Pangulo given na naging senador siya, kung mako-consider niya ba na desecration ng institution yung nangyari po?
Senate siege. Was it under attack? It was not. The Senate was not under attack. You can see that from the news, not only from the statements of the NBI and PNP. It was only the statement made by Senator Alan Cayetano. So as far as we are concerned, as far as the government is concerned, Senate was never under attack.
And this is also the position of the President po,
Of
ma'am.
course.
And another question po, kasi nagkaroon po ng change of leadership, and I don't know kung makakaroon pa ulit today. Ano po ang reaction ng Pangulo po dun sa pagpapalit po, considering na ngayon na yun, sisimulan na yung impeachment trial po sa Senado?
Ang papapalit ng liderato sa Senado ay kanila po yung aktibidad. So wala naman pong kinalaman ng Pangulo kung magpapalit sila ng liderato o hindi. So sa kanila po yan. Nasa Senado po yan.